Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is fractional distillation, how we turn crude oil into the fractions we use every day. By the end of this video, you'll know the principle, the column setup, and which fraction sits where. Fractional distillation separates crude oil into useful fractions based on differences in boiling point. The mixture is heated to a vapor, then passed up a tall column with a temperature gradient. Heavy molecules condense low down, it's hot there. Light molecules rise higher and condense where it's cooler. Three things. 1. Separation is based on boiling point. 2. The bottom of the column is hottest and heavy fractions like bitumen. Top is coolest and you have light fractions like LPG. 3. Each fraction is still a mixture of similar sized hydrocarbons, not a pure compound. The common slip, confusing fractional distillation with cracking. Distillation just separates the molecules that are already there, whereas cracking is a chemical change, breaking big molecules into smaller ones. Quick example: heat crude oil, refinery gases come off the very top, below that petrol, below that kerosene for jet fuel, then diesel, then heating oil, then bitumen for road surfaces at the bottom. One column, 6 families of products. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.